YouTube, this is Paintball Geek 101, and we'll be showing the die rotor, liquid gray, and it has a nice, good manual, colorful, troubleshooting, disassembly, and that's it. So let's get to the disassembly part and show you everything. Let's see. Okay, so this is a nice little power LED button right here. You can see that, right? Click that off. Nice rotor sound right there. Nice little window. See all your paintballs. See if there's any popped ones. And then my favorite is the anti-jam trigger thing. You just jam, just cock it back. So let's disassemble this now. Okay, to disassemble, I'm gonna pop this up, lift, push this down, this button right here, pushes down, and lift the whole shell out, like that. And then we have this spring-loaded floor tray that pushes all the balls up to here. And now to disassemble this part, you want to push this down till it pops. See how that popped? Lift, and it's out. These two beams right here, you want to shove this thing to the side, shove it, show who's boss. Take this part right here. This all comes out. And check if any things stuck, any popped. Then put it back in. You want to put this right there. Make sure it's nice and tight on this gear. Put this on top. Make sure it's right there. Make sure it's tight in there. And then you want to. These two come apart, so you could easily take it off. And you want to stick this back on top there. See if it spins right. And then place this beams back right place where they were supposed to be. Now let's see how it fires up. Look at that, nice. And to the batteries, it takes 3 AA batteries. Easy to remove, easy to put it in. No tool disassembly. I mean, this can't get any better. But let's reassemble it and then do a drop test for you guys. Now to put this thing back on, you want to shove this thing in there like that, and then push this down until you hear a click. Now you want to hook. See this right here? See this right here? It has a little hook, so you want to hook it in this little hole. And then you have this button back here. I'm going to push this in slightly. Goes right down. Now, to the drop test. It is very nice. 200 balls. Holds 200 balls. It goes 50 balls per second, and it shall drop in 4 seconds. Holds approximately 200. Nice little uncapped right here. Close it. Now, let's see the magic happen. Press that button. There it is. Die rotor. That's all for today, and I will be coming out with a video about the G4. Thank you, and goodbye.